Welcome back everyone, Legend here. I hope you enjoyed the last video of Sonic Unleashed. So today we're back with Valkyrie in Valkyriesium. So last time we did the subquest an imprisoned soul. So let's go and see what we got today. Thank you. That's the training ground. That's not what we want. Blacksmith's wishes. So let's go and do that one. Level 3 stars quests. We're gonna see how tough it's gonna be. Sorry for the sound. No more doing that thing. It's broken. Loading, please wait for the next round. Also, I hope you enjoy all the games we're sending currently. We're still thinking about what's gonna be the next game after Sonic Unleashed. Probably gonna be Kirby's Crystal Shard Saga or Star Fox Assault, even if I know it's gonna be quick, Star Fox. Alright, we need to find a blade. Come here, you. I can freeze your ass. Feel the cold. Hey, I want to kill that one. I want to play? Sure. Here's feel the burn. Alright, that one's dead. Anyone else? No?
I will not stop until the world is saved.
Alright.
The holy laws decree
It's gonna be shocking today. Yeah, it can assist me with the lightning. They don't seem to like it. I wonder why. I wonder why they don't like the lightning here. Nothing there. Nothing around here. There you go. Alright. Hello, little doggy. Shut you down. Alright. All those wolves are dead. Next round. Oh, that's a big guy. I literally pounds on me. I'm like, seriously? Ouch, that bird, that bird. Get out. And that. Where is that blade?
Perish in peace.
Oh, do you want to play? Sure. They don't like me today. And finish. Like it's a good night and those things I hate. So, you. Oh shit, there's 3 of them? That's gonna be a pain. One dead. Ouch. Alright. Now we're just missing the one that doesn't have a weakness. Heal. Hey guy, can you die please? Thank you. Whew. That hurt. Alright. What we got there? The King's Sword. The blade is better beyond repair but still emit an unmistakable aura. Alright. We got the blade. You can rest in peace now. Alright, what we got? Conversions. Nice. Gonna check if I can upgrade some stuff. Yep, can upgrade physical attack. Magic attack. I like, make some tiny thing upgrade. Support some money. Oh, I need to upgrade my proficiency for that. Like, I'm starting to having a little trouble with some enemies. I forgot to upgrade my stuff. Now it's gonna be stronger. I'm missing some black gem there. Defense. Need to upgrade proficiencies. Something here. I need black gems. Okay. Support. And silver gem them. Up. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment what you like in the video. S rank, let's go. We got it. Loading, loading. So it's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on next time, and let's our legend continue.